you experiencing growth in your business while achieving even greater balance in all areas of your life? In other words, are you able to fully enjoy all your efforts? If not, why? I work with a lot of realtors and business owners that don't believe it's possible to have growth in their business while experiencing greater balance in all areas of their life. And for those people, they're correct. It is impossible. But if you're open even a little bit, I have a special results for realtors workshop that I'm offering tomorrow, June 4th at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Time. There's no cost to it, but you do have to register to attend. And during the workshop, we'll spend 60 minutes and we'll go through some powerful tools you can walk away with and implement immediately into your life to start bringing about results. We'll look at a proven method to increase your sales. We're going to look at how to capitalize on those opportunities that may be presently passing you by. And we're going to look at how to create balance in all areas of your life with ease and joy. So if you're open to learning some new processes and methods and tools, join me tomorrow, 60 minutes online. We'll go through, I'll give you some powerful tools that you can implement immediately and start noticing a change in your business life and personal life alike. I look forward to meeting you tomorrow. Don't forget you have to register to attend.